Hello and welcome back to my English classes. I hope you are safe and well at home. Now today we are going to see the explanation of class 6 Sparrow book Saina Nehwal. Now she is a shining star in the field of sports, that is badminton. Now first I will read the paragraph and then I'll keep on explaining the chapter. All of you must be playing games. Which game do you like to play? Now here the writer is asking, like some of you like cricket, some of you like badminton, some of you like kho-kho, in this way. Can you name some famous sports persons of India? Like Sachin Tendulkar, Sunil Gavaskar, Navratri Lover and all. Now let's learn about a famous Indian sports personality. Now we are going to see about the biography of Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal is a renowned female badminton player in India to have brought home laurels. Okay, she has brought many medals in the field of badminton to India. She has achieved some remarkable feats in the past 1 year. That means she has gained victory in badminton this year, 1 year. She is currently the world #1 player. Currently means at present. She is considered as the best woman player in badminton. She is the first woman in Asia to reach the singles quarterfinals at the Olympics 2000 quarterfinals at the 2008 Olympics. Now she is considered as the first woman from Asia to reach the single quarterfinals. Saina was born in Hisar, that is Hisar is in Haryana. Both her parents were former state badminton champions. That means from her family only she got this opportunity to play badminton. Her father, Dr. Harveer Singh, is a scientist at the Directorate of Oilseeds Research. Okay, he is a doctorate. He have a position in the research field because he was a scientist. Her mother's name is Mrs. Usha Rani. It was her father who encouraged her to take up the game of badminton because her father used to play badminton, so she also continued the same sports, that is badminton. Encouraged means to motivate that you play badminton. Saina started playing badminton at the young age of 8. Her father introduced her to the coach Nani Prasad at Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium, Hyderabad. Okay. Now, father has motivated and mother has motivated for Sania to play badminton, and her father took her to the coach whose name was Nani Prasad at Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium, which was situated in Hyderabad. Her coach was impressed with Saina and asked her father to enroll her as a summer trainee. Now he was impressed means motivate हो गया उसको देख के, ठीक है, leave a mark, एक impression छोड़ दिया कोच के ऊपर, and that he said to her father that to enroll means admit karana as her summer trainee. She had to toil hard. Toil hard means work hard. Every day she travelled about 30 kilometers on her father's scooter for training. कोई भी चीज़ आसानी से नहीं मिलती है, हर चीज़ के लिए हमको मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. So she also used to go 30 kilometers with her father for the training. She would have to wake up early in the morning. She adopted a tough training. Tough means difficult training, जो इतनी आसानी से नहीं सीख सकते हैं. Scheduled right from the beginning. जब तक हम शुरू से अपने आप को मेहनत नहीं करेंगे तो हमको रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं मिलता है. So for to become a good badminton player, to become a first Asian woman to get into Olympics, तो एक दिन में नहीं होगा. She has worked hard since the beginning of her life. When she started playing badminton, she would practice for 2 hours at a stretch. Means बिना किसी रुकावट के for 2 hours she used to play badminton. Her father then dropped her to at school. Means first in the morning she used to get up, she used to go and play badminton, practice badminton, and then after coming from there she used to go to school. Her father used his savings to meet her training expenses and to buy equipments. Equipment means tools. बैडमिंटन में क्या क्या टूल्स चाहिए होते हैं उसके लिए हर फादर हैज सेव्ड मनी. शी वॉज फर्दर ट्रेन्ड एट पुलेला गोपीचंद अकेडमी ऑफ बैडमिंटन वेयर शी डेवलप्ड हर गेम. डेवलप्ड हर गेम मीन्स और अच्छे से उसको ट्रेनिंग मिले. सो शी वेंट टू पुलेला गोपीचंद अकेडमी. ठीक है, जैसे होता ना आप प्राइमरी क्लास करते हो, प्राइमरी क्लासेस कंप्लीट हुई, उसके बाद आप ऊपर लेवल पे आते हो सेकेंडरी क्लासेस. ठीक है, उसके बाद हायर सेकेंडरी क्लासेस. तो उसमें क्या होता है, धीरे धीरे आपका कोर्स बढ़ता है तो आपको धीरे धीरे मेहनत और करनी पड़ती है, आपको और नॉलेज मिलती है. इन द सेम वे शी हैज मूव फ्रॉम वन कोचिंग टू द अदर कोचिंग टू लर्न मोर अबाउट बैडमिंटन. शी वन द नेशनल जूनियर चैंपियनशिप इन द ईयर 2004. She won the national senior championship in 2006. Junior कब जीता? 2004. And she went for the senior section. She got first in 2006. She was the first Indian woman to win the Philippines Open in 2006. That means पूरे बैडमिंटन करियर में किसी भी वुमेन ने नहीं जीता था. She was the first to win the Philippines Open in 2006. In the year 2008, she was bestowed with the title Most Promising Player. ठीक है, bestow means she was awarded with the honor of the name as Most Promising Player. Most Promising Player मतलब जो लगातार जीतता जाता है. ठीक है, जो एफर्ट करता है. She was given the name. She was honored with the Arjun Award in 2009. Arjun Award या जो भी awards होते हैं वो ऐसे ही नहीं मिलते हैं. You have to make efforts. You have to work hard to reach the goal. So she has achieved Arjun Award in 2009. But the epoch moment came in 2010. Epoch means in the period time of history when she stunned the world with a hat trick of titles: Indian Open, Singapore Open, and Indonesian Open. Stunned means she surprised the people of India and the world that she has had a hat trick. Hat trick कब होती है? जब लगातार 3 बार जीतते हैं. तो थर्ड टाइम जब जीतते हैं एक के बाद एक के बाद एक विदाउट लूजिंग इन बिटवीन, तो वो क्या कहलाता है? हैट ट्रिक. ठीक है, एंड शी वन द टाइटल्स इंडियन ओपन, सिंगापुर ओपन एंड इंडोनेशियन ओपन. शी गॉट द पद्मश्री अवार्ड इन 2010 आफ्टर getting a hat trick in winning 3 championships. She won the bronze medal in the London Olympics and the gold medal in Commonwealth Games in 2010. Means in 2010 उसने 3 ओपन जीते हैट्रिक में. Then she won the bronze medal in London Olympics, then in Commonwealth Games also. In the same year 2010. Then she got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award again in 2010. Means 2010 में इसने वो 2 अवार्ड्स जीते, राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड. ठीक है. Saina finally scaled the summit of becoming world number 1. Summit means highest level of achievement. Now she was considered as the first number one in the world in the field of badminton when she defeated Carolina Martin of Spain in the India Open semi-final on 28th March 2015. Now in 2015, she was considered as the world number one badminton player. Saina's words, when I joined the sport and I never thought of becoming number one in the world. She didn't believe that she is going to become number one, or she don't want to become number one. She didn't felt that. It was only my mom's dream. To become number one in the world, it was not her dream, but the dream of her mother. She would say, Saina, you have to get an Olympic medal for me. Not world number one, but today I feel like, oh God, number one, obviously it is a huge. Okay? Now to get the title of number one in the world, to get the number one position in the field of badminton, she says, oh God, this is a surprise for me. But how she became number one in the world? With her efforts, with the motivation of her parents, and her work, hard work. It has been a long journey. एक ही दिन में वो नंबर वन नहीं बन गई है. She has worked hard. She had to make many sacrifices in her life. आराम से सो के भी वो उठ सकती थी. But in the morning she used to get up and go for the training and then come back, then go to school for her studies also. So she has made efforts. She has sacrificed many things. She has always been a disciplined sports person. कुछ लोग होते हैं हार जाते हैं तो खिसिया के सामान पटकने लगते हैं, उल्टा सीधा बकने लगते हैं, लेकिन she was not like that. She has faced defeats in various fields, in various points, but she was disciplined. She became the first Indian woman to reach the summit and the only second Indian since the legendary Prakash Padukone in 1980. Legacy means famous. Now she is considered as the second Indian, after Prakash Padukone in 1980. That means Prakash Padukone was the first person, and now she is the second person to get this famous place in the world. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.